Hello everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through creating your universal profile on the LUKSO blockchain using just your email address. Let's get started by visiting a website, myuniversalprofile.cloud. I've pasted the link in the description below for easy access. Upon entering the website, your first step is to install a Chrome extension. Click on Install Chrome Extension, and once it loads, click on Add to Chrome, followed by Add Extension. Wait for a moment while the system downloads and installs the universal profile into your browser extension. Once installed, you'll be redirected to the website. Here, it's recommended to follow the website's guidance by clicking on this icon. Then click Pin the universal profile. Then universal profile icon will appear in your browser. Now, let's create your profile by clicking on Create a Profile. Next, the website will highlight 3 key benefits of creating universal profiles here. First, all profiles you create are allocated a monthly quota of about 20 million gas for transactions on the LUKSO network. Second, you have the ability to create up to 6 different profiles for free. Third, all profiles can be recovered using only your email and two-factor authentication, eliminating the need for a private key or seed phrase, unlike traditional dApp wallets. Click Let's Go to proceed with the process. At this stage, you can create your profile using various methods. Whether it's via Gmail or Google account, Twitter, or any email address. For this demonstration, I'll use a Gmail or Google account. Click on Google account, select your email, and press Continue. Next, ensure to review all the terms and conditions before proceeding. Now, it's time to set a username. Choose one now. Remember, you can always change it later if needed. After setting your username, you'll have the option to add a profile picture immediately or at a later time. I'll opt to add it later. Next, click on Create Universal Profile. The extension will pop up. Then press Join and proceed. Now, set a strong password that meets all the required conditions. Confirm it, and then click Create Password. Once your profile is created, you'll be presented with a few address options to choose from. If none of the initial options satisfy you, click Refresh to see more. Remember, there's no limit to how many times you can refresh to find the preferred address. Choose the address that best suits you and you're all set to go. Once you've selected your preferred address, click Confirm Address to finalize your choice. After confirming, click Got it, Create My Profile. Now, the system will proceed to create your profile. Next, you'll be introduced to the recovery methods available for your profile. You'll have a few options here. The first one is using the universal profile itself as your recovery method. The second option involves using a third-party wallet, like MetaMask or Ledger. The third option is not enabled yet, especially for newcomers. It is advisable to opt for the first method using the universal profile for recovery. In this video, I choose option 1 to proceed. You will then be prompted to choose an email address for recovery purposes. In this example, I'll select a Google account. Click on the Google option. If a pop-up appears, just proceed, as shown in the example. Next, you'll enter the phase of setting up your two-factor authentication with Authenticator app. Click the designated button to start this process. which will generate a QR code for two-factor authentication. Take your mobile phone, scan the QR code displayed, and enter the 6-digit code received on your mobile phone. Once entered, press Confirm. Then click on Connect and Add Recovery. A pop-up will appear. Select the profile we just created. Click Select Profile, then log in. Wait for the next pop-up. Scroll down, and you'll see a notification informing you that this controller will be added for recovery purposes. Do not be alarmed by any warnings. Simply proceed by clicking Confirm. The system will then notify you that the recovery setup has been successfully created for your account. Next, click on the Profile dashboard to view the account that we just activated. Once you're logged in, you'll see the profile we've just created. Click on Profile View to enter and take a closer look. Here, you'll see the profile we created just moments ago. You'll notice that at the bottom of the profile, there's an option labeled Recover. If you click on it, you'll see our recovery method listed as Universal Profile. We haven't activated the third-party wallet yet, but remember, you can enable this option later. If you're interested in creating additional profiles, simply click on Create Profile and follow the same steps as before. For this demonstration, I'll fast forward and not choose the recovery setup. Let's now take a look at the second profile. No recovery method is set up. You can add recovery method later. If you want to change your name or update your profile picture, log into the extension. Once inside, you'll see our profile. Just click where indicated to change your profile picture or cover photo. You can also enter various information about your profile here. When you're ready to return to the main dashboard, click this icon. Click Connect, then select Profile. Go to Profile icon and click Dashboard. This is where you can access the dashboard for each profile you have. That concludes this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.